Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Dodge Ram key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Ram key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.